prepare the cab for arrival.
And ladies and gentlemen, the double ding indicates that the aircraft is now on its final approach. And we have it cleared to land. At this time, all passengers must remain seated with their seatbelts securely fastened, your tray tables and carrying items stowed, seat backs in the upright and locked position, and your aisle armrests are should be lowered. Flight attendants will pass through the cabin to complete their final safety checks. Please look around your seating area for all remaining cups, glasses, other articles you wish to discard. Thank you so much. We'll be landing shortly.
Thousand feet, stabilized, Mr. Burchout, seat set.
Approaching 05 right.
Tank rate.
50,
Tank
40,
rate.
30, 20, 10.
Knots.
5,000 feet remaining.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has parked the aircraft at the
4,000
gate
remaining.
and turned off the seatbelt sign. This will be your one and only indication that it's safe for you to get up and move about the cabin. Please be reminded to use caution when opening the overhead bins to prevent injury from articles that may have shifted during landing. You may now use your mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices while we taxi to the gate. However, your laptop computers and larger electronics must remain stowed. We invite you to visit delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. If any of you should have questions regarding ground transportation, baggage claim, or any other information, a uniformed Delta agent meeting this flight will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. On behalf of Delta Sky Team, our global partners, and especially your flight crew, we'd like to thank you all for flying with us. We've enjoyed having you on board and look forward to the opportunity to serve you once again.